Welcome to Scales and Weighing Solution. In today's demo, we're going to introduce you to a scale kit that you're able to actually make your homemade scale. You can install this on your cattle chute, alleyway, for cattle, sheep, hogs. Everything that's actually inside this box includes also the hardware that you will need to put the project together. The project itself is self-explanatory. I came up personally with a manual for that, which nobody else does except Scales and Weighing Solution, the Load Cell Depot. I explain how it works, a little bit of a drawing, how to assemble this. At the same time, some pictures, how to wire the box, and how to actually make this work. Now, each and every one of them comes with the battery, power supply, and the parts. First thing first, let's start with your frame, because the only thing that we're not giving you is the frame itself. Now, to make the frame, for demonstration, I have this one that I put together. As you can see, each and every one of them has a block installed, so you're able to actually put your finger between it. So when even if your material is bending, you're still able to weigh. Feet are adjustable. I prefer to actually have a hole on top for adjustment to make sure you level it correctly. Now, when you wire the summing box, in this instance, each and every summing box has all the load cells wired in. Now, as you can see, I actually numbered the load cells. Reason for that is because I'm actually using number 4 on a number 4 terminal. That's also explained on the card itself. Now, every single load cell comes with 3 meters of cable, so it's a pretty long distance that you can actually run the cable with. Now, I always recommend, if you use this outside, to run the cables into conduit and then put it into the summing box. Indicator. This is one of our most popular indicator, brand new. I didn't even take the Mylar off yet. It does have a stainless steel bracket that you can mount on the side of your chute or on the side of your wall. How to calibrate these indicators are very simple, as the basic unit is simple as possible. Press on and off. The indicator will turn on. And then you press set print and on and off. It goes to C1. That's basically your kg or pound. How do you want to calibrate? What is it that you're going to use? Number 1 is for kg. Number 2 is for pound. C2 is going to be, we're not going to have any decimal point because we're going to weigh by 1 pound. C3 is going to be, we're weighing by 1 pound, so in 1 pound increment, that's going to be at 1. Number 4 is going to be our full scale capacity. We have a 5,000 pound load cell, so for that, we're going to use 10,000 pound. You could use it also for a hopper because the material enters from the top. We could use this for 20,000 pound. Now we keep it at 10,000 pound since we have a small base. C5 is your 0 calibration. It comes up with 0. We change that to 1 in order to actually give a new 0 calibration to our new frame, because at this point the indicator doesn't know what it sits on a load cell. It'll count down. As soon as that happens, it goes to 0. You press set. It goes to the next parameter, which is span calibration. Then you have to have some weight that you're going to put on a platform. We're going to change the 0 to number 1 again, because obviously the indicator doesn't know what we're going to put on it, and we need to calibrate. So it's going to tell you span calibration. I put 50 pounds in there. With the arrows, you can go up and down and also side to side. Now at this point, we put the 50 pound on it. You can put a test weight on it, or if you don't have it, you can use something with a known weight. It could be a 50-pound feed bag, for example. Press set, the indicator will count down, and it tells you the calibration ended. Press the on and off button, and it tells you, yeah, you have 50 pounds on it. From this point on, the indicator is calibrated. You can start weighing. Everything that you actually see is included in the box. Any type of a problem you have, you can email me, you can talk to me, you can find us any place. Thank you.